In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off the depth effect on the iPhone lock screen. The depth effect is a visual feature that creates a sense of depth and dimensions on the lock screen. However, some users may prefer to turn it off for various reasons. Luckily, it's easy to turn off this effect. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Wallpaper. After that, tap on the Customize button on the left panel and then tap on the Depth Effect button at the bottom left. To turn off the depth effect on the iPhone lock screen, simply tap and select Depth Effect Off. Tap Done at the top right to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.